Hey guys, TechMentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tip on your Apple Pencil. Now I have the second generation. Now this method can be used on the first generation as well. So in order to replace your tip, it's really simple and easy to do. And you might want to do that if you had a tip for a while, it's not working properly, or it feels like there's wearing out, or if it doesn't respond as you like to, like it is new. So as you can see here, the second generation here doesn't come with any extra tip. So you first have to get a tip, and to buy a tip you can buy it on Apple's official website. If you go there, you'll see a tip replacement, or you can recommend getting it from there. There's some off-brand ones, but I don't know how well they work, so get it from Apple. So in order to replace it, it's really simple here. So as you can see here, there's a tip here. You'll see there's a lining as well. All you do is take your two fingers here, you're going to just hold it firmly, and then you're going to press and then just simply twist it counterclockwise. So if you think about clock going this way, you're going to do it the other way. So just use your finger and very gently you just keep on twisting it, and you'll see here what happens when you twist it. It can fall off, if like that, simple as that. So it's just like a twist on. And then of course, to put the new one on, all you do is now do the opposite, not clockwise. Just put it on and simply rotate it with your fingers, just clockwise, just like that. Now you don't have to put too much pressure. You'll know when it's tight, just like that, and then go ahead and connect it to your iPad and it should work. And that's how simple it is, counterclockwise and clockwise, to put it back on. That's how you're going to do the replacement itself. The tip, I believe, for the first generation and the second generation are interchangeable, so that means you can pretty much use the same tip on both of them. Generally, like I said, Apple recommends changing it out after some time. If you're a heavy user and you're not getting the best result, it's one of the things that you might want to consider. Or if you're noticing when you're drawing and stuff, if you're noticing that it's missing some spots or it's not as accurate as it used to be, and you might want to consider replacing it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in next time.